Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, if you click the, well, to me it looks like a steering wheel, but it's a circle with a triangle and it's obviously, you know, pointing the direction you want to go in. So there you go. If you click on the bottom there, you've got where to, map view, favourites, information, emergency. Click where to, enter postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton-le-Dale, Preston, PR5 4JS. So that's PR, now it's defaulted to numbers, 5 4 JS, PR5 4JS. So even though you've typed it in, you've got to click on it again. And you've got options, avoid and so on, save, and basically that's it. It's brought up where you want to go and you just have to click yes now. That's it. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, you've got the two cogs there, which is settings. We'll click on that, and then you see system, Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices. So list of paired devices, you see my phone there. So if I click on that, it gives you the option to delete pairing, connect for phone, connect for music, connect all. So delete pairing. Delete pairing for Barry's iPhone 11, yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're looking out at the bottom. But if we go over to the system, click the telephone, you'll see there's no phone connected. Connect a device now, yes. So we're watching out at the bottom there. That Osmo Action is a camera that's, actually it's that camera that's videoing this. Search for Bluetooth devices, search for Bluetooth. So that's looking. Should come up Range Rover Evoque sooner or later. It's pulled up Barry's iPhone there and Range Rover Evoque there. So I'll click on Barry's iPhone on the system, pairing Barry's iPhone. Does this passkey match 857454? Yes, it does. So we'll pair and click yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I'm not going to do it in this because I won't be using it again, but you would. That's it, connected there, and it's also connected on the dash here. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Evoque. So if you go into your iTunes there, you'll see mine's turned down at the moment, but click on the triangle at the bottom with the circles and you'll see Range Rover's got a tick. So whatever's playing on your phone, so long as you've got it set right on your audio system, it will play through the audio system. So here we go. What we have to do here, you can either go to home, which you'll see there, that's the radio, the media side or section of the home screen, or you can go into, you see there, the clapperboard and the notes. That's the same thing, and it brings you to source. If I click source, we select Bluetooth. You've got DAB radio, FM, AM, Bluetooth. So I want to click Bluetooth. It's just selecting Bluetooth now, and that's showing what's playing on here. So if I'll turn it up here. Norman Greenbaum, the original one, not Doctor and the Medics. That's it. That's how you stream music or audio through the system. Thanks for watching.